the world's smallest, this is not verified, let's assume it's the world's smallest, puzzle box. Right here. How you win is getting out this gray piece right here. And you can see nobody can really pull that out unless you're like absolutely insane. It's fairly simple. I mean, I spent a long time trying to do a 2x2 puzzle box because of how hard it is. Now, how you do this is you just slide off the top, and you get the yellow piece, and then put it in that little gray spot. It takes a little bit of pushing. There we go. You just pull it out. There you go. I'll take that out later, but yeah, that is pretty much it. If you want to see me smash it, destroyed. But yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how to build it. Alright, to build it, there it is. A single piece right here. Like this, I don't even know what you call this. It's a corner slope piece. Where'd you put that corner there? I'm gonna take this piece, put it right there. I'm gonna take this piece right there, put the hole in it. Take another piece with the hole in it, and place that there. You should be able to see through that. I'll take the winning piece and place it in there. Love that sound. Quick sound. You're gonna take this. I don't know. This is just a piece I chose. There's probably other pieces that'll work, but this piece and then I'll put this corner, whatever you call it, piece there, and then these two pieces down there, like that, which will leave room for this top piece down there. And that is how you build the puzzle box. I saw it one more time for you guys. Simply just go here, just the top, this out, now push that in there, just like that, and that's that. Oh no!